Cymraeg Cenedlaethol branch officer here at the University of Wales Trinity St David, where we work together to develop Welsh medium opportunities for you, our students. The branch works closely with all members, supporting all Welsh speakers across the university.
There are scholarships available for studying through the medium of Welsh. The Coleg Incentive Scholarship is worth £500 a year for studying at least 33% of the course of the medium of Welsh. If you're in your first year, apply through the Coleg website today.
The university offers £50 for each 10 credits studied through the medium of Welsh or bilingually. If you're studying for an undergraduate degree, make sure you fill in the form that's on the UWTSD website in the scholarships section.
The branch also organises social events for staff and student members for Freshers Week, annual dinners, gigs and tours.
There will be an opportunity for you to register to take the Language Skills Certificate this year. The TSI, the Tysysgrif Sgiliau Iaith, is an opportunity for you to gain a certificate to prove your ability and skills in the Welsh language and prove your ability to work through the medium of Welsh.
Want to know more? Become a member at Coleg Cenedlaethol.
Or contact me, Bethan Wyn, bethan.wyn@uwtsd.ac.uk or on social media.